Well, some of the beaches here from the Jersey coast all the way down to Florida will actually have some high surf from Maria, even up into Long Island and places beyond that. Unfortunately, we'll be dealing with the high surf there for at least the next couple of days. But for the most part, still very warm in the northeast, and maybe some spotty rumbles developing as well. We'll share that with you. Here's a view of Maria. Now, this compared to where Jose was last week. Maria will stay much farther south. Some of the biggest impacts will be felt along the Carolina coast and places a little bit farther north. We still do have tropical storm warnings in places for North Carolina, but after spending about the next 24 to 36 hours just offshore, it will take a hard right and be kicked out into the North Atlantic. Again, we still do have high surf concerns, even up near Maine, the southeastern portions of Massachusetts, Long Island, and then, of course, all the way down to the Jersey coast and places south of that. Here's a look at the temperature trend as we see Maria, of course, lift to the north. Out ahead of that, we do have some very warm conditions. We may cool down briefly by the weekend and early next week, but the extended outlook into the early part of October suggests it will be warmer than average once again. Now, there may be some spotty rumbles of thunder here today across the far north. Same for Wednesday and Thursday. That thunder threat kind of backs up to the west, and maybe a few of those showers trying to drift into the outer banks of North Carolina. Some spotty thunder to the north. In fact, Caribou through Friday morning could be upwards of 0.6 of an inch. But another mild day today, especially inland.